What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today my birthday, and in my mind I wasn't going to do a lot of deals, but I don't know, before I knew I had all these tabs up. So for my birthday, can y'all do me one favor? Can you subscribe? Huh? Can you subscribe? I'm not trying to do anything to hurt you, okay? All I'm doing is trying to get you guys some good tools at a good price. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, we have over at Lowe's. And don't be complaining about Rakuten anymore, okay? Look, again, that's more money in your pocket. I'm just trying to help you out, okay? All right, so we have this Metabo HPT 12-inch miter saw with a laser guide. I have the 10-inch version of this, and then mine is cordless. If y'all recall, a year ago, Menards was accidentally selling those things way too cheap, even with the adapter, which was insane. It was like $300. But this is $199. Great deal here. Okay, it's a great deal. It's a good miter saw. So $199 is corded, but so what? The DeWalt equivalent is going to run you hundreds more. Okay, so there you go. And this has been on sale for a while. I know a lot of you have seen it. I just haven't mentioned it. I don't know why. It's just been too many things going on. Moving on over at Amazon and Herm Deeper, we have this DeWalt orbital sander with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger in a bag. Now, I would say not get it from Amazon, and get it from Home Depot only because, I'll leave the Amazon link up because sometimes, depending on where you live, the shipping might be faster with Amazon or cheaper or whatever. Like if you live like Hawaii or Puerto Rico. I would say get it from Home Depot only because you have a 90-day return window. That's all. But yeah, same exact thing, $129. This is a really good deal. And if you were wondering, let me show you what the orbital sander itself is, $169. So the whole kit is $129. That's a deal. Moving on. We have this Milwaukee Gen 3 M12 impact driver with the speed ratchet. And this is the speed ratchet. Comes with 2 batteries, and you can get a free battery here. Obviously, you know the drill. Added to cart. And what did this become? This becomes $189, which is not a bad deal at all. $189 for this whole kit here. You get your two amp hour batteries, not 1.5, but 2 amp hour batteries. Look, this speed ratchet alone is like $189. So you're getting all the rest of the stuff is free. So that's how you want to look at that. Really good deal there. Moving on. Why is this up? Oh. This is up because I don't know if I posted the hacksaw video yesterday. I made a lot of videos yesterday on just comparing different tools. Flex tools, Milwaukee tools, to Metabo HPT tools. I did the reciprocating saw, hacksaw, some drills, and I have a couple more that I need to film as well. And I know this was, I don't know which one I posted yesterday, but this Ryobi one-handed reciprocating saw looks very appealing at $89 as a brushless tool, especially when you consider the Milwaukee version that was in that video was brushed and it's $79. So you say, well, for the extra $10, I'm gonna get the brushless from Ryobi. Well, here's the thing, like I mentioned before, when it comes to these one-handed reciprocating saws, the stroke is everything. And this has a pretty short stroke at 0.625 inches. Now, it's longer than the Metabo HPT. And one thing I failed to mention in the Metabo HPT, I think that is the video I posted yesterday, it takes jigsaw blades, which none of the other ones do. The Milwaukee, you cannot adjust the shoe, but you can with the Ryobi. But again, this stroke is shorter. It's longer than the Metabo HPT, but it's shorter than the Milwaukee. So the Milwaukee, if you're doing things like cutting branches and stuff outside, pruning little trees or big bushes, that Milwaukee is going to do a better job. So yeah, this had a longer stroke, at least a 3/4 inch stroke. I'd say rock with this. All right, moving on. While we at I had to leave myself a little note. The Christmas stuff at Walmart is 75% off. So if you did what I told you to do in the previous several videos where I said, look, go there today and buy what you want and don't open it. Obviously you wouldn't. It's Christmas and Christmas over, but just hold on to it and then wait until they show you that the signs of stuff is 75% off. Then go back and return them and rebuy them for the extra money off. So it's 75% off. Just letting you guys know that now. moving on over to what we got going on here. Okay, we got another one-handed reciprocating saw. This is the Milwaukee M12. Um, I like this for cutting pipe. It's wonderful because it's nice and compact, small. But I don't like it for doing anything else. The stroke is too short. And here's the thing. I think it's .625, which for a size is actually not too bad. But let's double check. Yeah, it's .625. So the stroke is the same length as that Ryobi. Nah, I can't recommend that. This won't cut any branches at all. It won't. I'm going to get that out of there. It won't do it. You need at least a 3/4 inch to do some stuff outside. Otherwise, you're just looking at pipe only. So, I mean, I would rather do this over the Ryobi. This is a whole kit. You get a 4-amp battery, this, charger, and all that. And, of course, you got the free gift. And what does it become? All right, so it becomes $124.19. I would do that because you get the extra 4-amp battery. That's going to be worth it. Now, I do want to say this. Usually by now, all these buy one holiday sales are over, but they're not. They seem to have extended them until, I don't know where I saw it. On Home Depot website, it said two different things. It said January 29th or 28th. And then another time it said January 30th. So, I don't know. Let's say January 29th. Let's rock with that. See, it says January 29th here. And then sometimes on the listings, it'll say, give you something different. So let's just assume that these will run to the 29th. All right, so moving on. We have over at Zoro. I don't have any particular deals. You still have that Milwaukee Tower Light, the big boy for $3.99 with the free battery. Now, I don't know what deals are here. You have to check for yourself. Just take an hour and shop around because Rakuten, which I failed to mention, Rakuten for Lowe's as well, because Rakuten gives you 3% cash back at Lowe's, and if you new, you get, and you use the link in the description, you get that bonus $30. But over here at Zoro, it's the same, but the cash back is 10% today. So 10% cash back, which is super significant. Plus, if you're new and you use this link in the description to sign up, you get the bonus $30 when you spend at least $30. So take advantage of that. Just go shop on Zoro. Zoro's legit. And it won't easy way to see if they're legit to see if they are affiliated with like Rakuten or Retail Me Not. Ohio Power Tool isn't affiliated with any of them, but Ohio Power Tool is legit. But if they're affiliated with them, you know they're legit. Moving on, I just wanted to show you, talk about Toolbarn. Because again, these were supposed to expire. Here's the deal with the Milwaukee stuff. Let's do this. All right, the Milwaukee stuff is you buy this 2-pack of batteries and you get a free tool. But we all know that the regular starter kit was 2 batteries and, a bag and a charger. So you better off going to like Acme Tool or whatever, or just going into Home Depot and buying their starter kit and getting the free tools. So I wouldn't do this because you're missing the charger, right? Well, good as the batteries without the charger. But the Metabo HPT stuff is still working. Now, on January 1st, I came straight to Toolbarn and saw this stuff. These banners were still up, and I was going to tell y'all, hey, make sure you go ahead and still try to buy this stuff because it's still live, even though you see it was supposed to end December 31st. But they weren't working. Everything still was up. But when I added stuff to the cart, it wasn't giving me the free stuff. But now, when we go to the cart, we'll see that the free stuff is back up. See? So now it's telling me to choose my free gift. So, I mean, take advantage, y'all. Take advantage because it's supposed to be over. But it's working again. So, and we see right here, this Metabo HPT, this mid-torque 189 with the free starter kit. It still works. So take advantage and make sure you sign up for your Barn Bucks. Okay, there's their little reward program. So you get like 189 Barn Bucks if you sign up for this. Follow them on Twitter and Instagram. You get more. Leave a review. You get even more. And then they also have Rakuten as well. 2% cash back with that $30 bonus. And also they have coupons. Let's see if those expired. So no. So if you spend $125, which it says you get $5 off. You have the coupon code there, and this is all through Rakuten. They'll show you spend $250, you get an extra $10 off. So it's deals on top of deals on deals on deals over here. So you can stack 3 different things right there. And that's it, y'all. I'm going to have to stop right here because, again, it's my birthday. I want to go enjoy my day. The rest of these tabs I'm going to leave for tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow.